Yeah, hello guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete a Facebook page. So if you want to delete a Facebook page, the first thing that you need to do is you need to switch into your Facebook page that you want to delete it. The Facebook page that you want to delete it, you need to switch to that particular Facebook page. After you switch to that particular Facebook page, you click on this particular three dot that we are having here. You click on this particular. So when you click on the three dot, it's going to open. So let's give it time for it to open. So it's going to open like this. Let's give it time. So after it open like this, you click on settings. You click on this particular thing like this. You click on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to load like this. But be in mind that you need to be using the main Facebook app. You need to be using the main Facebook app. So after you click on settings and it open, you click on where we're having page settings. You click on page settings. So when you click on page settings, it's going to load. So after it has loaded, you scroll all the way down. You scroll all the way down. All the way down. You scroll all the way down to where we are having so you can create it. They are now saying that I should enter that particular password. So and so let's pause the video and later on we can continue. So let me pause it here. So now I've entered my password. What is now left is for me to click on continue. So you click on continue. So when you click on continue, it's going to process. So delete Fanny King's page and information. So you can see when you delete your page, your Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information your page has shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So you click on continue. When you want to delete, you click on continue. Delete this page. So this, they will now show you the page that you want to delete. The following page will be deleted and you will switch to Jacob Elijah Tene. You can reactivate within 30 days by logging in as Jacob Elijah Tene and going to account settings. So you can now delete it. You can click on delete. So when you click on delete, it's going to delete your Facebook page. So now let's wait for it to do the magic. Let's wait for it to see what is going to happen. You can see it has deleted and it's switching back to my main profile. So it has deleted and it's switching back to my main profile. Okay, we are back to our main profile. So you can now see when you come to where we are having this particular three dot and you click on it like this, you click on it, it's going to load. Let's give it time for it to load and I'll show you where you can now see the deleted page. Let's give it time for it to load.